this ls command, we are displaying all the files and directories which are present in my current directory. Using the command pwd, I get to know what is my present working directory. Using the command cd, I am changing my current directory home to the directory documents. Clear command is used to clear the entire screen.
Here we are displaying the manual page of ls command using the man command. Man pages generally contain all the parameters and options associated with a particular command. Using the command apt-get update, we could not get the permission to execute this, but using sudo apt-get update or substitute user do, this command executes. Here we get the elevated permission to execute the command using sudo. Using chmod command 755 provides the user with read, execute and write permission for the file. The group and the others are given read and execute permissions. Using the command mkdir, I am creating a directory Akshata Anand. Now, using the command ls, I am listing all the contents of the presently working directory and we see the directory Akshata Anand in it. Using command rm-rf, the directory name, we remove this directory from the presently working directory, and using ls again, we see that it does not exist anymore.
Now I am copying this file to the directory home/Akshata. Now I am moving the file akshata.txt from home to documents. Now I am changing my directory to documents. Listing all the contents in this file, I see that my file akshata.txt is present in documents. rm command, I delete akshata.txt file from documents, and using ls, I see that it's removed. Using cat command, we are displaying all the contents which are available in akshata.txt file. Going on further with the cat command, the following command will display all the lines except the first two lines. First of all, opening a file in the gedit mode. This file is having the following content. Now executing the tail and head commands. Tail -1 will display the last line of the file. Tail -4 will display the last 4 lines of the file. Now executing the same command in a different format. We are using cat. It gives me the same output. Coming on to head, it displays the first 4 lines of the file. Again doing it with the cat format, we are getting the same output.
Using sort command on akshata.txt, we sort the contents of the file.
Here we are listing all the contents of the file. Now using unique command, we are displaying all the unique lines which are present in my file akshata.txt.
Here we are using the wc command. Without any parameters, it lists the number of lines, the number of words, and the total byte count of the file. Now we are using the command passwd akshata. This is used to change the password for the current user. Here we have successfully updated the password of the user Akshata. Initially we tried adding a new user without the sudo command, but we did not get the permission. Using the sudo command, we successfully add a user Harsh1 into this computer. Now we execute user modify command with the sudo and -e to set the expiry date of Harsh1 to 2nd December 2012. After this, the user will expire. With the help of sudo command, here we are adding a group called hypo. After that, using group mod with sudo, we are renaming hypo to hypo explanation using the -n parameter. After this, using the sudo command, we remove this group hypo explanation using the group del command.
Control R searches among the previous written commands, and when found, you can press enter to execute that command. Control plus K take my cursor to the start of the line. Control plus E takes the cursor to the end of the line. Control plus U deletes all the content before the cursor, and Control plus K delete all the content after the cursor.